Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sam here from Dope Gossip. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can generate auto subtitles for your videos. And this video will be in two steps. And the first step is how you can do that on your smartphone. And the second one is how you can do that with your computer. So in this video, we'll explain a bit by bit process on how you can do that. So let's get started. To generate auto subtitles for your YouTube videos or your personal videos, you have to install an app called CapCut on your smartphone. So you go to either of your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So depending on which device you use. So we're using Android. So we'll go to Google Play Store and search for CapCut. So you click on install. So now it's installing. So once installed, click on open. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Now click on new project. So you have to allow for the device. So click on the video you wish to generate subtitles for. Then click add. So now you navigate to text. So you see the auto caption here, click on it, then click on start. So it's generating. So, and that's done. So now we can see it's done already. So we'll play that. So there's an issue instead of a beat. So we have to change that, make changes. Then you mark, then play. So, and that's good. So you have to remove the ending, which is the CapCut logo. So now let's go to change, to make changes to change your style. So we can change the style of the you can choose the font, different font. So let's use this font. So, and the style, let's change the style. Let's use animation. Okay, let's bring in animation, show in from, yes, show right. So let's use that. As you can see, that pops right in. So you can decide to use another. So let's preview that. So let's do for another. Let's use showing, fading. Okay. So now to export, you click on this. You click on this icon, then it exports for you. Now it's done. You click on done. Then you have the video on your device. To get started with the Descript software, you have to click on the link in the description below. So right on this page, you can download the Descript software for free. So you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Right here, you find the download link. You click on it to redirect you to the download page. So it starts to download. So it's downloading. Once you're done with the process of downloading and installing the Descript software, click on the Descript software to open. So it opens. Now click on sign in to Descript. This will redirect you to a page. Here on this page, you have to click on sign in with Google. You have to choose a Google account. Then click on Open Descript. So then the Descript software opens. Now you click on New Project to get started. Click on Project, name your project Subtitle, then click on Create Project. So we have our project created. So now we drag in the video we intend to create a subtitle for. So it's adding the file now. We wait for the file to be added. So now the file is added. You have to choose a transcription language. So the automatic transcription language is English. So we click on Transcribe. So the transcription process is being processed. The transcription will be ready in a few minutes. So click on Done. Now wait for the transcription to be processed. So now the transcription process is done. Now let's click on the play icon to preview. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sam here from Dope Gossip. In today, so that's an error. We have an error here. So all you have to do is to right click and click on correct. So you had the missing number or the text Dope Gossip. So you click on correct. So give it a few seconds to process that. So it's processed automatically. Now let's go to the beginning of the page, the video, and preview. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sam here from Dope Gossip. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can generate auto subtitles for your videos. And this video will be in 2 steps. And the first step is how you can do that on your smartphone, and the second one is how you can do that with your computer. So in this video, we'll explain a bit by bit process on how you can do that. So let's get started. So here too we have an issue, which is how instead of it is now instead of how. So we have to correct. You click on the correct icon. Yes. So you click on, you had the H or W, so click on correct. So now it's done, it's perfect. So now let's export by clicking on share. So there's a project access and there's the export button. Click on the export. Now we choose subtitles from the file export. So the popular format for subtitles is SRT. We click on that, then we click on export. So you see the export notification here. So you choose the folder to export the video, the export here. So you type in text subtitle. So you click on save. So that has been saved. Now let's preview our video with the subtitle using a video player. Now we drag the subtitle to the video. Then we hit the play icon. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sam here from Dope Gossip. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can generate auto subtitles for your videos. And this video will be in 2 steps. And the first step is how you can do that on your smartphone, and the second one is how you can do that with your computer. So in this video, we'll explain a bit by bit process on how you can do that. So let's get started. That's it on how to generate auto subtitles for your video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I hope to see you in another video.